Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play 2 Pokémon Go accounts on one phone. Many trainers find it useful to have a second account for various reasons, like trading or participating in different teams. We'll cover the most effective ways to set this up, ensuring a smooth experience. You'll learn about app cloning and other techniques to manage your accounts efficiently, making the most of your gameplay without needing a second device. One popular method for Android users is employing an app cloner. These tools create a separate, independent version of the Pokémon Go application on your device. This cloned app functions just like the original, allowing you to log in with a completely different account. You can then switch between the 2 app icons on your home screen, effectively running 2 accounts without interference. It's a straightforward way to manage your dual profiles. Once you have an unactivated sigil, it's time for the activation ritual. First, place an enchantment table on a single grass block with a clear view of the sky. Next, surround this table with 8 pieces of redstone dust, also placed on grass blocks. Wait until midnight, ensuring the entire setup is in complete darkness. Finally, kill any mob directly on the enchantment table to activate all division sigils in your inventory. When managing 2 Pokémon Go accounts, remember a few key tips. First, ensure your phone has enough processing power and memory to run 2 instances smoothly. Second, always be aware of the game's terms of service regarding multiple accounts. While generally permitted, certain actions might be restricted. Finally, consider using different login methods for each account, such as Google for one and Pokémon Trainer Club for the other, to avoid confusion and streamline your switching process.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.